Surf's up on the turf as Aduro could be starting a new recycling trend after it successfully completed initial testing of synthetic turf waste using its proprietary hydrochemolytic technology, HCT. The company's chemical recycling process effectively converted polyolefin components from complex turf materials into shorter-chain hydrocarbon products suitable for steam cracking and new polymer production. Notably, this was achieved without extensive pre-processing, demonstrating the process's tolerance for mixed materials and contaminants typically present in old turf systems. The testing program addressed a significant market opportunity, as over 12,000 synthetic turf fields in North America are expected to reach the end of their service life within the next 5 years. Each field can weigh between 200 and 300 tons, representing millions of tons of potential feedstock. The synthetic turf recycling market is projected to grow from $1.8 billion in 2025 to $5.9 billion by 2032, with a compound annual growth rate of 15.8%. Aduro's CEO, Ofer Vicus, stated that this trial supports their strategy of targeting market segments underserved by conventional recycling methods due to complex material composition or limited processing scale. Synthetic turf's complex composition, including multiple plastics, thermoset adhesives, and inorganic materials, poses challenges for mechanical recycling and limits compatibility with conventional chemical recycling methods. Aduro's HCT technology offers a potential solution for these complex waste streams, and the company has received interest from multiple industry stakeholders. Beyond artificial turf, carpets represent a similarly complex and underaddressed waste stream, with the textile industry generating approximately 92 million tons of waste globally each year. Aduro is continuing development work with industry stakeholders, including additional testing and evaluations related to process economics and scale-up potential. The company's next-generation process pilot plant, currently under construction, is designed to process a broad range of feedstocks and will incorporate insights from the field turf testing program to inform future operating strategies. With a growing demand for chemical recycling options, Aduro's technology shows potential for expansion into other complex waste streams like carpets and textiles.